Morning, everybody. This is K. Balakrishna. Welcome back to the session. Presently, we are dealing with the subject called as marketing management. In the marketing management, we are dealing with the topic called as price discrimination. In the earlier classes, we have discussed what do you mean by price and many other issues. But presently, we wanted to know what do you mean by discrimination. Discrimination is a process of showing some sort of differentiation in terms of price. Price discrimination is a process of showing some sort of variation in terms of price, showing some sort of difference in the price. Different prices are charged for selling the same product. Different prices are charged for selling the same product in different markets. Sometimes different prices are charged for selling the products in different geographical areas also. So here, price discrimination means showing some sort of price variation by selling the product to different category of people at a time, or by selling the product to the same category of people in different geographical regions. What do you mean by discrimination pricing? Showing some sort of variation, differentiation, or we can say that showing different prices when it is sold in different markets, different prices when it is sold to different people, different prices when it is sold to different targeted market. Here there are many definitions. Here, when sometimes the same product may be sold with different prices. The same product may be sold with different prices when it is sold to the different buyers. Sometimes the same product is sold based upon the technicality that the product is sold. That is, sometimes it is sold at a higher price in open market, a lower price through direct market, direct selling or direct marketing. Sometimes there will be a single controlling authority who determines the different prices to the different buyers. And sometimes what happens is different prices are charged for the same good at different places or different practices. If it is sold from the wholesaler, different price is charged. If it is sold to the from the retailer, different prices may be charged. Types of price discrimination. First one is personal price discrimination, means there's some sort of differentiation which is shown when it is sold to different category of people. For example, doctor charges different fees for treating the patient rich as well as poor. Next one is geographical price discrimination. Here, the different prices are charged in different markets. In India, it is sold at a different price, but the same product sold in US will be at a higher price when compared to the India. So price discrimination according to the use. If the product is used by other industries, since it is bulk purchased in bulk quantities, higher prices charged. The same product, if it is used by the common man, then little higher prices are charged when compared to the selling to the industries. What are the conditions for price discrimination? First and the foremost condition for price discrimination is elasticity of demand. If the demand is high, prices will be higher. If the demand is low, the prices will be lower. Market imperfections means sometimes the sales will be high, sometimes the sales will be low. Because of that market imperfections, we can say that the individual seller may sell at different prices to different people. Differentiated product. For example, railway charges different rates for transportation of coal, or for transportation of copper, or for transportation of people, or for transportation of luggage. Legal sanctions. Sometimes electricity board charges different prices for domestic use, and sometimes it charges the highest prices for commercial houses. Monopoly existence. If the price discrimination is shown when the monopoly exists. If the monopolistic market existing, then high prices are charged and these prices cannot be brought down. Degree of price discrimination. Price discrimination for the first degree, it exists when there is a monopoly in the market. What do you mean by monopoly? A single seller dominate a market or a syndicate of sellers together raise the prices. It's price discrimination for the second degree. Means different groups of people are there with different income level, with different interests, with different categories for different utilities, then they are charged with different prices. Means price differentiation of third degree. Means sometimes there are number of sub-markets operating in the same country. Then different prices are charged to these different subgroups. This is a small PPT which clearly indicates what do you mean by price discrimination? What are the various types of price discriminations? What are the various factors affecting discrimination? And many other issues are discussed. Price discrimination, in one word, we can say that it's a process of selling with a different prices, variation in prices to different buyers or to the different users or for the different utilities together. Thank you.